Hi guys, so now today we are in lecture 7, payroll testing, employee benefit expenses testing, so how we will do this. So we have already discussed a lot of things before this, how to do audit of a week 4, different stages, audit risk, materiality testing, assertion testing, a lot of areas we have already covered, audit materiality. Today we'll cover audit of payroll, how will you do it. Please see this video, and I think if you are getting this content valuable, it will be great. Okay. I think you are liking this course. Great. Do share your feedback with your friends as well, because we have done a lot of efforts. And this is something I have made it in a very short period of time. Thank you so much. I hope you do clear your interview. To share us the feedback also. It will really motivate us if you clear your interview with our efforts. Thank you so much. Let's start. By the way, if you don't know about me, I have a 5 years plus experience as a chartered accountant. I have worked in EY, PWC, KPMG in different profiles. I have worked in the HSI and CA. So this is my about myself, and I have mentored a lot of people. You can follow me in LinkedIn as well. Okay, let's come to the main topic. Payroll. Okay, so we'll do the payroll testing today. So in payroll testing, in interview, they ask you how to do the audit of payroll, what you'll say. So know the sequence that you will be able to crack the interview very quickly. First of all, you'll do the control testing. So always make sure that you will do the control testing, you'll do the walkthrough of the payroll process, and you'll take the risk control matrix from the client. What is a risk control matrix? It's a matrix, it's an Excel sheet, okay, where there's a risk associated with this process and there's a control associated with it. The frequency of control is mentioned out there, and frequency of control and who's the process owner. Okay, whether it is automated control or a manual control. Those things are mentioned in the risk control matrix. Okay, so risk control matrix we'll discuss in a separate topic, but this is the basically about the risk control risk control matrix. That this is the risk, this is the control, this is the control owner, and this control might be automated or it might be manual control, and this is the frequency of control. If this control lapses, then what will be the impact on the financial statements? Okay. Now, if the control is, for example, manual, okay, just try to understand this. Okay. If the control is manual, we take the control, and the control is manual, okay, then it's a problem. For example, attendance register. Now, one is the biometric register, one is a physical register. Okay. If it is a physical register, then definitely there is a lot of risk out there, right? And if there is a physical register, then our substantive process will generally increase. Okay, so there can be fake employees, ghost employees case might be there, right? This is the questions that can be. Okay, so you have to understand okay, how to tell this answer. Work through is understanding the process. Now, in control testing, you take more process samples during the year to understand. Okay, then we do the sample testing, assertion testing. In the sample testing, assertions you should remember by now. Okay, what are the assertions? So first of all, what you will do, okay, you do always start with the completeness, okay? Always start with completeness. So you will take the employee benefit register, payroll register, like we did in the sales register or purchase register, you will take the payroll register, journal, ledger, trial balance, you will match it. Okay, every the salary which is coming out there, payroll register, there will be breakup now, salary, provident fund, and this whatever breakups are there, it is matching with the financial statement. Okay, payment advice is matching. This is the completeness testing, and then you will do the TOD for new joining and resigning the salary record properly. This is called completeness. It's very easy. You are just checking whether the register is matching with the financial statement. Right? Very simple. It's not difficult at all. Okay. Occurrence. Okay. Now, in the occurrence section, we are trying to make it very short and simple so that you are able to tell in the interview. So completeness is registered for trial balance ledger, trial Milan. That's what it's completeness. Okay. Occurrence, whether the occurrence means whether the employee exists or not, whether this fake employee, ghost employee's case is not there. You'll check the computation of the components in the payroll register for accuracy. And thereafter, you'll check the whether payment advice match the payroll register net salary amount. So whether the payroll register में जो amount है and whether the payment is actually going that much only to the employee also. Payment advice है also we'll check it. Check the salary slip on sample basis and the salary slips ले लेके with the payroll register whether both are matching accurately or not. Okay. Then you will also check the attendance register, biometric register to identify the ghost employees and see whether the net payment has been made as per present days and payment of absent days has not been made. They are absent and they're paying the leave. This is what you will check ghost employees. How to identify ghost employees? This is the question which is asked most of the times, that how do you identify or how to trace the ghost employees? Ghost employees. Now you have to check the, for this I think answer you can say that you will check the attendance register. Attendance register you will check for last 6 months. Okay, you will check and these you see which employees have been, and you will put a VLOOKUP. You will put a VLOOKUP to check whether which employees have been absent, to check which employee has been absent for long periods, maybe 3 to 4 months. They can be a ghost employee, maybe 3 to 4 months. This can be, and also supplementary payment has also been, and also payment has been made. Payment has been made. Okay, we will check the attendance register, leave register, attendance, and the leave register also if they have a leave register separate. Okay, so you will check this if phone absent or and payment has been, and salary has been paid also. Has been paid for the absence. You see the reason of long leaves, maybe maternity leave, paternity leave, or something else. So you have to understand the reason. So it can be a case of him. Okay. And you see the related parties out here also. Completeness. Accuracy, you will check that payments made in accordance with the offer letter, number of days worked. Cutoff. Now, this is a very important cutoff. In the cutoff, you see the head count. Okay, head count, you see the opening balance. Past audit report says clearly 0. Number of employee joined, offer letter, appointment letter, this you'll get. Number of people resigned, full and final living experience letter, closing balance. Okay. So these are the things that you'll do. I have covered everything out here. I think OCAC cutoff. Okay. Classification left, right? In classification, the employees are classified, nothing. They have been properly classified, okay, provident fund and all, as per the schedule 3, that is very important. Okay. Then generally draw expectation of salary by considering the increment, new joinee, resignee, the variance analysis. Some employee have been paid अचानक से ज़्यादा तो नहीं दे दिए, compare with the amount recorded. Then checking will be done, dues as per the salary, as per the statute, payment challan testing and all, and reporting in CARO clause 7, income tax clause, that also we have to check. They are deducted as per the applicable limit, the deposited within the due date. CARO compliance. Director remuneration in accordance with this. Okay. One of the frauds that it can be when there's huge increment in salary was paid through check, later on given cash. Okay, so first check the if it cash linear, it can happen. So we have to check in days 19 and defined benefit of pay, defined contribution plan, benefit plan, gratuity, benefit, PF contribution, verification. Then we also see the actuarial data sent to the actuary. And we can't question the actuarial assumptions, but we have to confirm the right data that has been gone to the actuary. Okay, so whether provision is estimated by the actuary has been recorded in the books of accounts. Now, gratuity, check with the actuarial report, leaving cash, check the actuarial report. Actuarial report, what are the things you can check? You can check the discount rate, check the government mortality rate, value method, projected unit credit method, which you know. Check the data sent to the actuary. So, number of names of the employees with gratuity is due. Date of joining from the appointment letter. In some cases, date of joining is incorrect. So date of joining you can check from the appointment letter. Date of birth, Aadhaar card, PAN card. basic salary, HRA, check offer letter. So these are the data that is sent to the actuary will check. Data that sent to the actuary, the data is correct. Names or number of employees, monthly average salary, average past services, remaining work life, salary increment rate. These are the things that you have to check in the net. So I hope you have understood properly what you need to check when you are doing this payroll testing. You have to check the data sent to the actuary, cannot assumptions they are checked. जो भी actual का value आएगा and the liability side, okay, we have to cross verify if the financial statement they are correct. So these are the things that we will be checking, and assertions we have to check properly. We have to check the assertions very properly and how you identify the post employees. If you have any questions, you can definitely ask me, okay, in the comment section as well. And I hope that this video will be very useful. Thank you so much.